If you're not using Reels and Stories to sell your products, you're leaving money on the table. Reels are your discovery tool. Use them to grab attention with quick product demos, behind the scenes content, or problem solution style videos. Keep it really raw, fast paced, and always lead with the hook in the first 2 seconds. Add trending sounds and a short caption with a call to action like link in bio or shop now. Stories are where the sale happens. Use polls and product tags and swipe up links if you have them. Show close ups, customer reviews, or limited time offers. Keep it casual. People connect more when it feels like a conversation, not a commercial video that you're trying to push down their throats. So, together, Reels bring the views and stories close the deal. Post both consistently and make sure your link is always one tap away. If you're really serious about growing your sales organically, like and subscribe. Wonderful content calendar or story script ideas, let me know in the comments. I'll go ahead and make a video about that topic.